guys, welcome back to a new vlog. So right now I am in Malindi-Mombasa Highway at a stage called Lights behind me. This is where we have demolition that were happening because of this Malindi-Mombasa Highway construction. So I want to show you how it looks right now because after the demolition, we had people didn't know where to go, but some of them are still coming back before the construction of the road officially starts. So I want to show you how the market looks like. It's called the Kongowea Market, but the stage is called Lights. So come with me, let's see how the place looks right now. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and join the family. So I do videos related to development, construction, and improvement of our country, Kenya, and Africa in general. So if you're interested in such kind of videos, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and let's enjoy the videos. Nini ya video? Utaongea kwa video basi? Haya, niwaulize mnafeel aje hii construction ya hii barabara venye kumebomolewa huko?
Ni feel happy ngoja tutokee changamoto kwa sababu watu wanataka kazi vizuri. Nabomolewa dukani pia zitakuja.
So wakijenga barabara kubwa
kazi zitakuja. We feel good. Like barabara huwa ni ndogo sana. Sawa, barabara huwa inajifinya, hakuna magari kupita. Tunachukulia mpaka stage yetu magari yanachukua jami, inakuwa kubwa. Unaona hiyo walipofanya hivi? Wanafanya pesa. Wanafanya vizuri sana kutuletea barabara flyover. Wanafanya vizuri. Sasa sisi tunasema tunafurahi tu.
Tunafurahi. Mnawekea flyover hapa?
Tunawekea flyover. Kwa roundabout hapa kubwa itawekwa hapa. Tunawekea gari inaitwa stage. Tunakuwa
tunafurahi.
Tunafurahi.
Hii stage ya gari za wapi?
Bamburi, Kisauni, Kitembeni. Hasa hapa ndo siku tunapojitafuta. Tunapata risk ya kula boss. Hatukujami wala hatushiki cha mtu. Tunajitafutilia hata kama ni 20 tunakula. Pia tunashukuru Mungu kutupa nafasi pia, kutupa nguvu ya kupigana. Tuwaombea yani watu wote dunia, serikali yetu pia tunaiombea. Sikutike morali hivyo hivyo, tuendelee hivyo hivyo, tupeanane mkono pamoja, tushikaneni pamoja kabisa.
Haya, sawa sawa. Haya pia. Haya. So guys, this is Kongowea Market after demolitions. You can see the whole of this area was full of markets, and it has been raining in Mombasa, so there's a lot of water around this area. Wow, I don't know where I'm gonna pass. So muddy guys, and I have white shoes. So this is one side of the market that was demolished. You can see the whole of this area had stores. Right now people are just putting their umbrellas and selling their clothes down here. It's so muddy guys. You can see you have water at the road, but remember this is the road that is gonna be under construction. The Malindi-Mombasa Highway that is under construction right now. So they demolished the whole of this area to expand the road. You can see, but they still have vendors who are opening their shops, but they don't have stores here right now. Guys, kuna matope, my God. So you can see the whole of this area had stores. If you've ever been to Mombasa, you know the whole of this area had stores constructed with woods, and they were all taken down to enable construction of the Mombasa-Malindi Highway that is still under construction right now. This is the situation of the road right here, right now. You can see. So, hi. Sasa wasalimia, naambia nini? Hatutaambia Wakenya nini? Unauza viatu? Wewe unaitwa nani? Wakikuja waseme wanakuja kwa nani?
Wakikuja tawaambia.
Utaambia sasa. Nikuulize, how do you feel about venye mmebomolewa hapa? Bado mnapiga haso? Aya, sawa sawa. So guys, you can see this is how the area was like. This is how the area looks like right now. So I want to cross over to the other side. The whole of this area had stores all the way down there, but right now they are all demolished. So I want to cross the other side because they also have some demolitions on the other side. But you can see the situation here. The road is so messed up, guys. So maybe they are happy because after the road is constructed, they can be able to get more customers. But also right now, you can see the situation of what they are selling at. So I cannot even cross here, guys. I have to wait for this car to pass. Woo! The struggles. The road is so messed up, guys. Let me go to the other side. Woo! So the situation is the same on this other side. There were some stores, but there were a few stores on this other side. Most of them were umbrellas. And this is the stage of cars that take people to Mtwapa, Malindi. Oh, I don't think Malindi are here. Mostly it's Mtwapa, Bamburi. Yeah. So guys, I'm supposed to pass here, but you can see cars are already passing on this side of the road. Because you can see we have some barricades here to showcase where the road reaches. But right now the cars are just using it anyhow, leaving the motorbikes. You see? So I have to struggle for space with the motorbikes and the cars. So let me cross to the other side. Then this is the station on this other side, but most of the demolitions were happening on that side of the road because that's why we had so many stores. But right here, you can see we have another road here for cars from Shomoroni, if I'm not wrong. The whole of this area is going to be demolished, or it's been demolished right now to enable the construction of the Mombasa-Malindi Highway. And I'm telling you guys, people are staring at me. I do toka kwa gari. Hey, this feels so unusual. It's not like Nairobi. Nairobi people don't stare at you like how people are staring at me. I didn't even have to saw it. So let me get off my clothes so that we can move a bit far from Kongowea Market itself and see whether we have more demolition on the other side. Hi, how are you? Yeah, nice to see you too. Hiya. It's nice to meet people like that. At least when I boost confidence. Okay, so, oh my God, guys, I'm sweaty. Not demolished. We also have a stage here. So this is where we have the Kongowea Market. So this is the area that was demolished from here all the way to where we have the road that leads to Nyali. Yeah. So this is the Malindi-Mombasa Highway that is still under construction. Right now here you cannot see anything because the construction has not yet reached this area. But as we move towards Bombolulu, you're going to see a lot of changes. I'm gonna do a different video about that construction. So right now I want to end this video right here. So thank you guys for watching this video up to the end. So if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.